Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to our nature walk. Logan and I and his grandmother went to Webster Pond, which is a duck pond. We saw lots of different birds and different types of ducks and geese. Logan took our scavenger hunt where he found rocks. He was able to circle those. And there were lots of things we kept our eyes looking for.
And ducks.
When you go out on your walks, you can use your I Spy Eyes to find lots of different things.
What's this one say?
We even saw lots of different kinds of birds. So when you're doing your scavenger hunt, you don't just have to find one kind of bird. You can see lots of different birds in our neighborhoods.
Do you see any buds on these trees?
We'll have to find one
One
that
of
does
them, one of them I found.
Maybe. We'll keep looking.
Or those dried leaves from the fall?
Logan even wore his duck hat for the duck pond. We had lots of fun time being greeted by the geese.
One's called.
I don't know.
We were really surprised by how many different kinds of ducks there were at the pond.
Let me hold it.
We're going to spend some time tonight researching what some of those ducks were and looking back at our videos and pictures. So on your nature walk, it might be a good idea to take pictures. We even saw some leaves starting to grow, some of the first signs of spring. There was a beautiful creek and stream, lots of branches and sticks.
What do we find again? This?
Logan
Buds on
even
the
found
tree,
some
yeah.
buds on the tree, which are little baby leaves starting to grow.
Nice.
There were lots of things to see on the trail. We even had a bucket with us to collect things we found to make art projects.
And our
Bucket.
There's
So
no
maybe
pine
we can make
cone.
some art with
Logan
these.
found lots of different types
No
of
pine
seeds.
cone?
Pine cones
You
and
could draw a picture of a pine
walnuts
cone.
and
Well,
maple
there's another
seeds,
page
but we
that
weren't able to find
will
any
list things we
acorns.
saw, things that we hear.
Acorns
things
grow
that
from
we
a tree
see.
called an oak
Is this
tree.
on six?
Smell.
Is this the one?
Yeah, that's the other page, so we can write things on there. All right, I grabbed a couple. What else are we gonna find?
We can bring rocks home. Let's bring rocks.
Bring a couple. You can see pieces of the broken nut,
What happened?
broken walnut.
What happened to it?
It just broke. People stepped on it, just like I'm a little acorn nut sitting on the cold, cold ground. Everybody steps on me. That is why I'm cracked. You see, I'm a nut. I'm a nut.
No, no.
I'm a nut. Nut.
Is that an acorn song?
So we're gonna go through our senses. We have. You ready? All right. Let's read the directions. It says, exploring spring with our senses. Use 4 of your senses. Complete the sentences. What do you see? I see.
Branches. I see branches.
Okay.
Branches.
I smell
Duck poop.
duck poop. I hear.
Ducks.
I feel.
Rocks.
Good job. High five. Oh yeah. All right. Let's see what else we can find on our nature walk.
I wonder why you smell duck poop.
That's on the ground over there.
What?
Leaves.
These?
See the leaves? So you can circle your green leaf.
Make sure it doesn't get close to me.
It's getting close to Grammy.
What?
Hi. How are you?
How you doing?
How you doing today?
Yes.
Look at his feet, Logan. Look how they're webbed. That lets him
What?
swim really well.
Why do they only have 3
Toes.
toes?
This is how they were made. A lot of birds have 3 toes and webs in between to help them swim.
Birds do?
Swimming birds, yeah.
On our nature walk, we were able to collect lots of different rocks and sticks. We're going to use those different things we collected to make some art projects later.
They're so loud.
What we found were the ducks were really loud. We were definitely using our sense of hearing. I wonder what kind of things you're going to hear on your nature walk.
2, 3.
Wow,
Logan did a nice job counting his pine cones. You can do counting while you're on your nature walk too. We had fun watching the ducks fly around. We even saw some seagulls and a swan. Can you use your eyes to see the swan in the background? That big, beautiful white bird. During our nature walk, we saw lots of things, even some feathers. Ducks have feathers to keep themselves warm. We even had a chance to feed the ducks. We each got a cup of corn. Corn is an edible seed. Edible means you can eat it. And the ducks and the geese really enjoyed eating the corn. We didn't know that we actually had a duck who was coming up behind us. We had a chance to feed him too. As you can see, we had a pretty white duck behind us. And he was very curious and very hungry too. Our cup had been full, and now our cup was empty. I just got home from our spring scavenger hunt. What did we find, Logan?
So we found some rocks. Then we saw a bird. Then we saw this,
The buds on the tree.
the buds on the tree. And the sun. And the sticks. And the squirrel. And the bug. And grass. And dirt. And leaf. And flower.
What baby flowers did we start seeing to grow? Do you remember what they were called?
No.
They're called tulips.
Tulip.
Yeah. And then what kind of birds did we see? We saw robins this morning, but what did we see at the duck pond?
I don't know.
What kind of birds?
I don't know.
What kind of birds were at the pond?
I don't know.
You know what they were? They were ducks and what else?
Mm.
A blackbird, a crow, and geese and swans. Lots of different birds. And what did we not see?
The acorn.
We didn't find the acorn, but that's okay. How many things did we find?
Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Found 11 things, and how many did we not find?
I don't know.
How many did we not find? How many?
Let me see.
How many did we did not find?
1.
Just one. So did we find more things or not find more things?
We didn't find more things.
No, we found so many things. Because 11 is a bigger number than 1. And then do you remember what you saw? Do you remember what you told me you saw?
Sticks.
Yeah, and branches. Do you remember what you told me you smelled?
Dog poo.
Ooh, do you remember what you told me you heard?
Ducks.
What did they sound like?
Quack, 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 quack.
Do you remember what you told me you were feeling?
What?
Remember what you told me you felt?
I felt rocks.
Lots of rocks and branches and water. Hi friends, thanks. I hope you enjoyed our nature walk to the Webster Duck Pond. We're hoping that you enjoy your own nature walks. We can't wait to see pictures and hear about what you find. Remember, families, you can always have them count how many things they find. You can always add math into anything. You could add some good books. You can do some research. Like we saw some ducks, we had no idea what kind of ducks they were. So we're gonna do some research tonight and find some answers to those questions. And just talk, and read.
Logan even made some binoculars. Maybe you go on another nature walk, you can use binoculars or look for things you didn't find. But there's so many things you can do and make some cool art projects. If you do make some cool art projects, let us see them. We can't wait to see what you collect. Happy spring!
Happy spring.